LTL-9000-A, long-nosed legend, forged for the titans of the open road. With its towering presence, commanding chrome, and a cab built like a locomotive cockpit, this machine was never meant to follow. It led, hauling America's grit, mile after mile, with unmatched confidence. From diesel thunder to aerodynamic evolution, the LTL-9000 is more than a truck, it's a mechanical monument. Subscribe now and become part of our brotherhood at TheAutoVerse, where legacy rides on wheels and passion fuels the engine of our community. The story of the LTL-9000 began in 1976. As a premium evolution of Ford's L series, the L stood for Louisville, its birthplace, while the T designated tandem, rear axles, and the L again marked the long hood configuration. Through the 1980s, it gained a devoted following for its build quality and versatility. In 1981, Ford gave the LTL a distinct grille and headlight configuration, setting it apart visually from its siblings. The transformation peaked in 1988 with the introduction of the Aeromax version, incorporating modern aerodynamics, set-back front axles, swept fenders, composite headlights, and the revolutionary AeroBullet sleeper cab. By 1992, setback axle versions like the LLA and LTL-9000 brought full-length skirting and smoother airflow, aligning with an industry-wide push for fuel-efficient designs. Under the hood, it roared with power. Engine options included the mighty Caterpillar 3406B and 3406C, Cummins Big Cam 3 and N14, and later Detroit Diesel Series 60, offering horsepower ratings ranging from 350 to over 500 horsepower. The Big Cam 3 stood out in the early 1980s, thanks to its reinforced camshaft, heavy-duty and 1,650 pounds-ft of torque capability, more than enough for mountain climbs and coast-to-coast hauls. Transmissions from Eaton Fuller 9, 13, and 18-speed manuals made sure the driver stayed in total control of the torque monster. While Ford ceased heavy-duty truck production in 1996, after selling the Division II, the LTL-9000 lived on through Sterling trucks and in the hearts of enthusiasts. Today, the market sees surviving LTLs in auctions and private sales, typically ranging from $8,000 for high-mileage rigs to over $30,000 for restored or well-maintained models with dump or sleeper configurations. Against rivals like the Peterbilt 300 or Kenworth W900, the LTL-9000 wasn't just a competitor. It was a unique choice for drivers who craved Ford toughness with signature design. It remains a symbol of an era when trucks were made to last, designed with grit, and built for the journey, not just the destination.